Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a birthday card using a Cricut Maker fold machine, accessories and insert cards in 5 easy steps. It's easier than you think. All the materials you need for this project are available at Spotlight. You'll need a Cricut Maker fold machine, the Cricut Design Space application, a cutting mat, a card mat, your basic tool sets, and a pack of the Cricut insert cards in a colour of your choice. Go to Cricut Design Space and search for a Happy Birthday template. Confirm the machine is selected in the top toolbar, then select Make. Remove film from card mat, setting aside for later to reapply to the card mat once you're finished. Slide backside of card under the plastic divider, align the card to the top left corner, close the card and press firmly on the card mat. Follow Design Space prompts to cut your images. Then cut your design and carefully remove the card from the mat. Clean excess cardstock pieces from the card mat before using again or reapplying the protective film to store. Open your card. Tuck your insert into the corner one at a time until secure. This is just one of the projects you can make with Spotlight. It's easier than you think.